guys, it's Crystal. What's your name?
Amina.
What's your name?
Rihanna.
And today we're bringing you these cute little Easter bunny, what would you call them?
Easter bunny headbands.
Okay, Easter bunny headbands, inspired by the Michaels ad that was going around. So we just used stuff that we had at home. We didn't buy any kits or anything like that. So if you want to see how we made these cute little bunny rabbit headbands, please keep watching. What will we need for our project today?
So we're going to need some
pipe cleaners.
Some pipe cleaners and flowers. More flowers. Cardstock.
This is cardboard, but if you have cardstock will do. We're gonna paint the pink for the ears, so you can do that.
And tools.
Some tools that parents can only use. So we're gonna take our pipe cleaner first, and we're gonna twist it. I already did Niana's.
And this is how it looks like when it's finished.
Right. I'm gonna measure this little one's head. Sorry.
So if you need a pause, you could pause.
Yes. And we're gonna just twist them. Alright. So that one is ready. Then I'm gonna draw the ears for the girls.
This is for me.
So I'm gonna cut it out. You can use scissors. You don't have to use this thing. Cardstock would probably work better with this, but we don't have it, so we're gonna utilize what we have at home.
So here's the bunny ear for the bunny, and then I just have to paint it.
Right. So I'm just using a pink pen to draw the inside of the ear, and then the girls are gonna paint it. So y'all need to paint inside the lines, okay? Your bouquet of flowers and have your kids pick out what they want on the actual headband. So which flowers do y'all want?
I think I want this.
Some of those? Okay, we can just pull that one out. That's the easy one. Okay, now you want to take your headband. Yeah, I'm going to get the hot glue and glue it right here. And I'm going to put it on the pipe cleaner, just like that.
And then leave it alone.
And leave it alone. Okay.
We can put it like in our dress-up box thing. Ooh.
So it should look
Can we put it in our
like this.
Can we put?
Now you want to grab your construction paper and cut a strip so that you can hot glue it onto the outer side of the pipe cleaner. Mama pretty much took over this project because this last part you kind of have to use the hot glue, and I didn't want them to get burned. So after that, you're going to get all your flower clippings and make sure you clip off the ends so that way you can glue it flat on the paper with your hot glue. I started with large flowers first and then went in with smaller flowers and also baby breast flowers to fill in all the empty spaces. that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up. And I hope you have a great Easter.
A great Easter, yes. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when the next video is coming out. Have a happy Easter.
Bye-bye.